Hi! Today I want to talk to you about some wrong habits concerning the vehicle air conditioning maintenance. As we all know, the standard vehicle's air conditioning system is made of 5 main parts: the compressor, the condenser, the evaporator, the dryer, and the hoses connecting the different parts. The main fluid running to the system are the refrigerant and the oil. When the air conditioning system is running, a certain amount of oil is running through the system. As a result, a small part of this oil is outside the compressor, as for example, in the heat exchangers, in the system hoses, into the filter. The main fluid running the AC system is the refrigerant. During the vehicle's AC system life, refrigerant is constantly lost, about 40 grams a year. Refrigerant is lost, for example, from the O-rings or because of the rubber hoses permeability, independently from the use of the air conditioning system. As an example, a 400 grams AC system of a standard passenger car, after only 3 years, can lose about 30% of its normal capacity. Very important to know is that only the refrigerant is lost. The oil contained inside the air conditioning system is not lost at all. This oil, during normal use, does not lose its performances and chemical characteristics. This means one thing: the oil does not require any replacement. The lifetime of the compressor oil is the same of the vehicle. This introduction is important to present the main point of this discussion: the wrong practice of removing all the oil from the air conditioning system during the standard maintenance. In fact, in several markets, there is a wrong belief that during standard AC system maintenance, it is better to remove all the oil from the AC system. To do that, the AC equipment users do not only recover refrigerant, but they also flush the entire AC system by means of a push and pull strategy, which consists in flowing refrigerant into the AC system by keeping the compressor of the AC system running. This practice is not recommended because it does not allow to completely remove the oil from the system. As a result, in the long run, refilling system would bring to a situation of oil overfilling. Most important, the compressor will operate without oil, and this brings at high risk of blockage. Finally, yet importantly, this procedure is not only wrong, but it is also very long, time-consuming operation. For these reasons, the car manufacturers themselves recommend to remove only the smallest amount of oil from the AC systems. This brings us to the key point of discussion. The best practice for regular AC maintenance is only one, and it is very simple. Recover at least 95% of the refrigerant from the AC system. Recover and drain the smallest quantity of oil possible. Create a deep and long enough vacuum in order to remove all the contamination with air and humidity. Fill the AC system with the same amount of oil previously removed. Perform the refill phase with the proper amount of refrigerant. As you see, during the ordinary maintenance, the oil is not completely removed. The only cases in which special oil recovering and refilling is required are specific situations, like in case of the replacement of a component of the AC system. In this case, the corresponding exact amount of oil should be refilled accordingly to the component replaced. Another situation that requires oil flushing is in case the AC system is in an open condition for more than 2 hours, or in case the compressor is damaged. For all these situations, the use of the TEXA flushing kit is strongly recommended. For any further information, you can visit our website texa.com/comfort. Thank you for your time.